begin this study of Florence Cathedral, I'd blocked in the background with some leftover paint, thinking about directional strokes that might be useful. With my eyes half closed, just looking at a blurry image, I started to block in the basic light and dark, warmth and coolness that I saw, using a very limited palette of lemon yellow, magenta, phthalo blue, burnt umber and titanium white. As I progressed, I changed down brush size and I accentuated the tonal values and the saturation or neutrality of the colours. Using this approach allows you to be very selective about what you put in and what you can get away with leaving out. Gradually I changed down brush size again, just touching in fine details, but trying to leave as much of that warm underpainting that I started with showing through. And that's what creates the overall mood and atmosphere of this painting.